Good evening. dried results. It was kind of thick, so it dried okay. It stayed the same, but it's just slightly, there's just a little bit of a slight bumps in it, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. So it might have been a little thick. I thickened it up a bit on this one, thinking that I needed it thicker, and I probably didn't. So I will bring it in for a close-up. Kind of pretty. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day.